fighting their dreams. In the stadium, you can feel the thrill. It's time to compete, to show the skill. The Eiffel Tower watches from the sky. Every effort, every dream, reaching high. We move to the beat in this vibration. The Olympic spirit, a celebration. Paris 2024, where the world beats. In the Olympic flame, our hearts beat. Jumps, races, endless dreams. In the city of love, the fest begins. From every corner of every nation, the best arrive, seeking coronation.